come back to your heart so deeply so you can remember who you are and let your heart drive you.
My biggest takeaway from this workshop is that I've always been enough. I'm capable of anything. Being able to feel that and truly feel that is such a gift.
What I've learned from this workshop is that it is possible to tap into something stronger and bigger than you. You can kick ass. The images that came through as that warrior, that's powerful.
My biggest takeaway was to see myself face my biggest fears with grace and ease and see who I became after the workshop.
Working with Christine was awesome. She's able to connect the strong with the vulnerability, with the beautifulness of the feminine energy and the masculine energy.
She is capable of holding divine space, is able to meet them where they're at and bring out things out of them that they weren't consciously aware of.
She has this presence of embodiment of like Mother Earth energy, and also like this like activation of pulling out who you are at your core. I'm so excited for everyone to experience this magic. It's going to transform a lot of people's lives.